to another video. Today we have a Milwaukee string trimmer with the free attachment. It says free quick lock attachment. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So yeah, I did see this at Facebook, the Facebook group. Let's see here. So we're at the CPO outlets. I'll leave the link down below to this page, or to this part of the page. We got the Milwaukee 2825-21ST M18 fuel string trimmer kit. Quick lock with $299 is the price of this kit. But you do here, on the bottom here, you get free quick lock attachment when you order the signless. See details. Let's see. This is the attachment you guys get. This is your choice of free Milwaukee quick lock attachments when you order Milwaukee string trimmer. Add Milwaukee quick lock string to your cart. Choose your free item in the cart. Free item is to be chosen in the cart, automatically discounted. Offer, limit 5 items per customer. Offer valid through 11:59 p.m. on April 18, or while supplies last. All right, so let's add this to the cart. See what we can get. All right, so it's added to the cart. You've qualified for a free gift. Proceed to the cart to choose item. It says view cart. All right, let's take this off because remove. That was from last time we did a video here. All right, bonus free product. Choose your free gift. All right, you got the choice of getting what is this? A 4916 2718 M18 fuel quick lock edger attachment, or you can get the 4916 2719 M18 or M18 fuel quick lock articulating edge trimmer, or you can get the 4916 27-20 M18 fuel quick lock 10-inch pole saw attachments. Definitely check it out. Great deal. I would definitely go for this one, for the pole saw. That's what I would go if I would have trees and stuff like that. If not, then the edger or the other one there. So definitely check it out. Let me just did I select it? Select, continue. Yeah, so whatever you select, it should appear right here somewhere. Okay, so you have it here, and then you got the free item here. Total of $299. I believe it does have free shipping. That's what it said here. It says proceed to check out. Let me see. Check out as a guest. All right, so $299. Shipping $0.00. So yeah, it's free shipping, guys. So $299, you're out the door. You'll get that at your doorstep. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.